What it do, everybody? It's your boy King Crowder back again for another edition of History You May Not Know and Things That Are Not Taught in Detail for Show. Today's lesson is another one in the Inventor series, and the inventor I want to focus on is the great John Purdy. The sad thing about this individual, I have took a deep dive into his research, and there's not a lot of information about him. But one thing I want to do about this great Black American is that this gentleman invented the folding chair. Did you hear what I said? If you've been to a football, a concert, outdoor event, anywhere with your family, and you having a folding chair, opened it up, pulled it out your trunk and used it, just thank John Purdy. He invented the concept, patented it, and had idea that we need something when we are outside at venues, events, everything. John Purdy understood that the formal seating is good for church and other events. But what about something you need that is lightweight, more durable, and easy to carry? John Purdy understood that there was a great need for us to have things that can transport and move, and also very simple. His idea patent came from a basic wood concept, carved in the seating, and made sure it was easable and compatible to carry in your back or over your shoulders. Because you gotta remember, around this time, cars were not as common. Mr. Purdy wanted something easier to sit on and relax at different moments. Do you understand this icon made us have chairs, and we do not even understand one called a John Purdy Chair Edition? How come we don't have Purdy chairs, folding chairs, apparatuses, and different things of that magic? John E. Purdy, a former enslaved lineage, his family, post-emancipation, wanted to make again the American life easier. Did you know that he was an inventor? Did you know that he created? Did you know that he is the one responsible for all of our cookout festivities and what we sit on? John E. Purdy needs to get his flowers. He needs to be discussed, and he needs to be highlighted how his iconic status affects us to this day. John E. Purdy, a phenomenal man who had the vision to know that he was going to help us, even though we couldn't see the benefits that will affect us until this day. Today's lesson is about the flowers to John E. Purdy and what he did for us. It's your boy, King Crowder, coming at you quick with a quick lesson on a great inventor and how he made American life easier. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hopefully you learned something. That's the whole point of this concept. Please make sure you smash the subscribe button. It's your boy, checking out. Until the next time. Peace.